Welcome to clickmyproject.com. This is our title: Enhanced e-health framework for security and privacy in healthcare system. And this is our project abstract. In this we'll be having a patient health record is a rising patient-centric model which is frequently outsourced to store a third party. This addresses the issues in privacy, such as hiding the sensitive health data of a patient, which can be accessed by the unauthorized users. In this paper, a new secure e-health framework has proposed. In this framework, patient-centric personal data and access control schemes with enhanced encryption method has been considered. Security and privacy of personal health information have been identified by digital signals and patient pseudo identified as well. This paper addresses the enhanced security model for the more authentications and authorization functionality, and experts to the discovers new techniques that can be utilized to build the efficiency in e-health care system based on the security, privacy, and user satisfaction. The survey has been conducted to test the proposed e-health framework. The data has been analyzed using SPSS tools and new implementations of digital patient records, electronic management records, risk management security tools, big data, and all elements need for better data security. Health information is information exchange which is linked and managed by the however protecting information is not an easy job. Healthcare organizations are quickly confronting security dangers and vulnerability through the implementations of digitalizations of patient records. However, the utilizations of outdated and clinical applications that is not intended to safely work in the current organizational environment. The goal of healthcare system is to deliver the greatest health services for anyone at a time from anywhere. Privacy is one of the major factors which has been sub-confidentiality which is needed to prevent the disclosures of patient sensitive information. In the healthcare sector, data security is a high priority as it is essential to maintain the access rights to the data. Improving the security in healthcare means maintaining privacy and confidence of the patients and helps in the preventing threats. It also helps to maintain security communications between patients and doctor. The primary objective of the HIT is to meet three fundamental goals: confidentiality, integrity, and availability, with the overall aim of the achieving security in healthcare. The purpose of this research is to propose a secure healthcare system from attacks by unauthorized users. In addition, this research aims to reduce the vulnerability and the threat and increase user satisfaction based on security, performance, and privacy. The paper is organized by the contains the introductions in section 1, followed by literature review of the current health HIT and security in the section 2. The current and proposed framework are given in the section 3 and section 4 discussed, and conclusions are given in the section 4 and 5. Cloud systems have been found to be problematic elsewhere in the terms of security. The frameworks are designed to facilitate sharing of the electronic health records, for which developed a model with the aim to maintain the growth, integrations, and large scale development of a wide variety of health services. In addition, attribute-based encryption cloud computing is used to store and share the personal records information securely. For achieving scalability, extended attribute-based encryption is labeled in a hierarchical structure. According to hierarchical identity-based encryptions and CPAB is an achieve fine-grained access control in cloud storage services. Another study proposed came smart card based e-health system which aims to secure a system by using a smart card based authentication scheme. In addition, proposed model for security and privacy in search of references. This model provides each layer security and privacy to achieve high flexibility and performances. So significant progress growth has been made in health services. This is a project flow. In this, we will be having a user authentication. User authentication is just to identify a user if a user is a anomaly user or a proper and a protected user who can able to access our application for further data processing. Then patient query processing. In this patient query processing, patient will be posting their queries based on their criteria like cardiologist or something else which is based on their patients. and the health service provider one will collect the data from the patient query processing, and the server will be processing the data with the data which is been given by the patient query processing. Then the data will be transferred to the cloud data center. In this cloud data center, data will be stored in the cloud. Then it will be get transferred to the health service provider. In this health service provider, data processing for the queries will be based on the category which is being selected by the patients. And this is our project. Just right click on a home and click on a run file. You will be getting a home screen like this. Just click on this and you will be getting an option panel. In this user access, health service provider and admission control. First I will be entering into user access. In this user access, we are getting a login screen, and I have a sample user known as Sam and password is Sam. Users information matched. In this I need to choose an image of to enter into one method. Choose here, and it's my category patient, and it's my category code is, and verifying this category code matched. Processing data for admission control. In this admission control, I'll be getting users for entry details and verified. Then I'll be entering into this. In this patient will be entering their queries, name, patient ID, and I will be for a cardiologist. Can't able to bear the pain. I am generating this generating data gets generated, and encryption and sending I will be sending to health service provider, and this data will be getting loaded in a server. Next process, data will be pre-processing, view and uploading. In this data will be get reduced and get into a health server 1. I'll be fetching a data, connecting to your cloud server, and this sending data to your center. This cloud admin and password is root. Log successfully. I'll be receiving a data from a server. I'm viewing a data access accept request, and healthcare explorer C and healthcare server 2 will be entered. I will be fetching a data. I'll be fetching this and will sending to a cardiologist. Here I'll be entering a doctor. For security key, I'll be getting a security key CA2345. Password Ravi. Verifying invalid password and username. Information matched. I'm getting a detail for this. Getting and decrypting a data. I can able to see the message. Reply, generating a data. Like this, generating a data, encrypting, sending a data, and receiving. And this user will be receiving the data. Matched, and data will be decrypted. That will be shown here. Detailed information. In this we can able to see a description between a patients and a doctors, and this is a final output. Thank you.